schreibe ich denn Mimi jetzt weg mit nach? Wo schreibe ich jetzt Essen werden? Steigt einfach auf ein Bett, okay? Steigt auf ein Bett. Ich hoffe, sie ist. Ich habe halt auch hier.
Ich glaube, wir haben sie.
Ich hoffe. Hello beautiful people and welcome back to another vlog. It is almost midnight and we're getting ready to hike up Mount Ijen and I look fucking tired. I am tired. But yeah, that's what we're That's what we're doing right now.
2 a.m. in the morning, I'm in my story smoking, catching my breath. I can feel my skin burning. You light the fire in me, got no regrets. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me good.
It is almost 5 a.m. now and we're getting ready to catch the train to Malang so we can be at Mount Bromo next night. So yeah, next night, so we won't sleep a lot again, but that's fine. I'm just really tired already.
Losing sleep, I am in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I am in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I am in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
Right now in the train to Yogyakarta and Mount Bromo was amazing. The view for the sunrise was so beautiful and also the crater was so cool because it's like because you could really see that it's a volcano. I mean, it sounds stupid, but I didn't really realize that it was a volcano until I was like on the crater and like could look inside. But I have to say that I liked But I have to say that I liked Ijen a little bit more. I don't know why, but it was more private. There were a lot of people at Bromo, but it was still fine. And now we have a 7-hour train ride to Yogyakarta. Emma, do you have...
We almost missed the train.
Because we had to eat.
Because food
comes
more
first.
important.
I'm gonna try to edit a green screen and wait. Okay. Ich glaube, das kann ich gar nicht. Also das meinten wir doch alle. Wie hast du eigentlich geduscht? Das ist so nass.
Nein, es wurde nicht nass durch dieses Ding. Als ich rausgegangen bin, war ich richtig begeistert, dass dieses Ding das alles aufgehalten hat. Aber dann bin ich halt mit den nassen Adiletten rausgelaufen.
Wie nass waren bitte deine Adiletten?
Weil da ist Wasser drin gewesen, also so stand.
Das ist immer so eine Pfütze von deinen Adiletten. So we arrived at the hostel at like 11:30, I think. And now we're gonna go and do laundry because, wait, do you see that? All my clothes are dirty, so we're gonna do laundry today. And then we're gonna go to a market. I forgot how it's called. But yeah, we're gonna go to a market. Originally we wanted to also go to the temples, but the entry fee is $25 US. And that's a little bit much. We don't have money anymore, so we're gonna do something else.
Got me up all night, putting things on the side. What do you have in mind? She's awake all the time. What are you
Geschmeckt.
Schmeckt okay. Seitdem du gesagt hast, es ist wie Schnodder.
Die Konsistenz finde ich halt mega eklig.
Ich finde, die riecht halt voll gut. Voll geil.
Wie schmeckt das?
Einmal dein Fazit bitte.
Wie erwartet. Schmeckt okay.
Ja, aber Lara redet Englisch.
Same like I expected.
These are very nice though. These are amazing.
Coconut.
It's just coconut
And
basically.
sugar.
And yeah. And I like the durian, but we're now trying to find people who take our last two pieces because we don't want them anymore, but we don't want to. But we don't want to throw it away, so. Bye.
Hi.
Okay, so now we gave it to someone because we didn't want to throw it away, but we didn't want to finish it. And now we're just walking around, and then later going to a cafe, I think. We were back at the hostel for like half an hour to an hour, and I took some pictures while we were out. If I'm not too lazy, I'm gonna insert them, and if they not appear, then just go to my Instagram because there I'll post them. Hello! And now we're going and trying to find a cafe, and then I'm gonna write my travel diary, write some postcards, and then we're gonna go and have dinner. I really like Jakarta up till now because it's just like so cute, so many little alleys, and it's adorable.
Cause I'm vibing with all we have. Yeah, I'm feeling what we are now. I'm laying down on the ground. All I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we have. I'm feeling what we are now. All I do is thinking out loud. Cause I'm running with these emotions, stumbling out of bed. One hell of a roller coaster. You're messing with my head. I'm ending up so clueless.
Oh, ihr fuckt so ab. Alter. Das reicht mir. Sowas von. Wenn ich das überlebe, ne? Die Vögel sprechen nicht dafür. Dann. Geradeaus.
Only part in the city where all the birds are. The rest of the city has no birds, zero. It's so weird. We arrived in Kuala Lumpur. It is now, wie spät haben wir? 7:30 p.m. and we're gonna go and eat dinner now. We're on our way to Allure Street, I think it's called. And there's supposed to be like and there's and there are like a lot of nightstands and night markets, so we're gonna check that out. Hopefully get some cheap food. My battery is flashing, but we are now walking through Chinatown, and we're probably gonna go and see a temple as well. And I don't know how much I can film today because both of my batteries are empty, so I fucked up on that. But yeah, I'm trying to find a bad fake for my brother that I can bring home. But all the fakes are pretty good, so I'm very sad about that.
By your side. So tell me where are you now? the ground. All I do is thinking out loud. Yeah, I'm vibing with all we have. I'm feeling what we are now. All I do is thinking out loud. Cause I'm running with these emotions, stumbling out of